Okay, so basically I lost track of time. So I am going to basically wear, you guys will see the fit. It's just all black. And I'm gonna wear enforcers, leggings, a top, and I'm gonna wear, I need to talk fast. What is it called? A long sleeve top underneath and a gray jacket because it's cold, and I'm gonna have like a jumper inside and an umbrella because I don't trust the weather. And I have so much to say, but I literally lost track of time and I just need to get dressed. Luckily I showered, so yeah. And by the way, I am going to ACS, but it's not my university. It's an ATU, and I'm going to attend Take Me Out. Yeah. I finally have my foundation with me, but I can't find my jewelry. Like, I don't remember where I put my jewelry. I don't know where it is, but I think it's at home, and I'm rushing. I don't know if these earrings go with the outfit. Like, I think I should I have worn silver earrings? I don't know. I'll see. Or should I wear studs? I don't know. But I feel like since I don't know I'm gonna put lashes on. I don't know why. I'm scared to put lashes on with this hair. I feel like because this hair brings my face out like this, it just like feels weird putting on lashes. Like it's gonna be scary. But I haven't even tried it. I don't know. Okay, so I did my edges, and I desperately need to get my hair done. Like it has been enough, but I'm not gonna pay an arm and a leg to get my hair done, and the person that I want to get my hair done by doesn't live close by. So now what the heck am I gonna do? I have to do my own hair. That's it. I have to do my own hair. Like I am not that babe that's blessed to do their own hair, honestly. In my DMs said I'm pretty. This boy in my DMs said I'm pretty. So this is the fit, like nothing too deep. Shein and pennies and this, and then yeah, the shoes. Hopefully you all can see the fit. Hopefully it keeps me warm because I layered up and that's on period. Okay, so basically I checked the time and they were like, it starts at 7. So I was like, okay. I walked back home. I don't like this lip combo. I think I'm gonna change it. And I did a few stuff that I needed to do. And guys, let me tell you, I've been missing so much of Big Brother. I actually want to cry. Like, I just go on Twitter and I see something. I'm just like, what happened? What is going on? This happened. I miss so much. But it's cool. I'll catch up. Gloria Elijah has got me. Okay, I don't know if this, I forgot to tell you that I'm going to Take Me Out. So I was about to end the video here, but no, I'll show you guys. It's cool. I'll show you guys. Y'all are my people, them, you know. And when I was gone for a long time, I didn't post like a vlog. It was because my laptop was full storage, but I didn't know it was full storage. When I tried to airdrop videos, it wasn't working, and I'm like, hey man, what is guaning? Like, actually, what is going on? And then I emptied out because I deleted so many things and it was still not working. I emptied out my bin. My bin was the one taking the most space. I was like, girl, how can my bin take so much space? And I didn't know, like, the bin, it had like 24K stuff in the bin. I was like, after that, so much space now. So hopefully the video before this comes out and I finish editing it, I am not doing this.
She is doing this though.
No, she is doing this though.
You can't run away.
How did they put my name when I didn't give consent? Does that even make sense? The first thing we learn is consent. What the heck?
Welcome to ATU Galway and Fit Me Up.
First of all, the decoration is not giving UCD.
Yeah, you already know.
I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra.
Tell me why they didn't set up until now. They only setting things up. Like, does that even make any type of sense? No.
Extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos are hurt to rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors are closed. I felt like bad boy street team. I couldn't work the locks. Now let's go. Take a
Operation Find Orange. And if you know, you know. Wait, I don't think.
Wait, okay, can we talk about it?
Okay.
Because you can see.
Okay, let me tell you. I don't think. How do you know she already told me?
Yeah,
Because it was an observation. I don't think it's
Girl, if you observe, you observe.
Nah. Guys, I'm so sorry. This operation is going down. It's going south. How do we walk past? How do we walk past them and just say hi? Okay, go. I will just stand here. Grind, go with you. Go. I'm not going with you. I already said hi. No, he's not that type of person. Guys, she went to ask for his snap.